Welcome to today's Dutch lesson. Today, we learn ordinal numbers. Ordinals show order in sentences. We count from first to 10th. Laten we samen beginnen. Let's start together. Our first word is eerste. Eerste means first in English. Het eerste huis is groen. The first house is green. Ik ben de eerste hier. I am the first here. Dit is de eerste stap. This is the first step. Remember, eerste means first. Our second word is tweede. Tweede means second in English. De tweede man is lang. The second man is tall.
Dit is mijn tweede kans. This is my second chance. Zij leest de tweede pagina. She reads the second page. Remember, tweede means second. Our third word is derde. Derde means third in English. De derde dag is fijn. The third day is nice. Hij neemt de derde stoel. He takes the third chair. Wij zien de derde boom. We see the third tree. Remember, derde means third. Our fourth word is vierde. Vierde means fourth in English. Het vierde kind speelt buiten. The fourth child plays outside. We nemen de vierde bus. We take the fourth bus. Dit is de vierde week. This is the fourth week. Remember, vierde means fourth. Our sixth word is zesde. Zesde means sixth in English. De zesde les is makkelijk. The sixth lesson is easy. Dit is de zesde keer. This is the sixth time. Ik zie de zesde man. I see the sixth man. Remember, zesde means sixth. Our seventh word is zevende. Zevende means seventh in English. De zevende vraag is goed. The seventh question is good. Het is de zevende dag. It is the seventh day. Wij horen de zevende vogel. We hear the seventh bird. Remember, zevende means seventh. Our eighth word is achtste. Achtste means eighth in English. De achtste hond is klein. The eighth dog is small. Wij zien de achtste auto. We see the eighth car. Zij zoekt de achtste deur. She looks for the eighth door. Remember, achtste means eighth. Our ninth word is negende. Negende means ninth in English. De negende foto is mooi. The ninth photo is pretty. Zij heeft de negende plek. She has the ninth place. Ik lees de negende zin. I read the ninth sentence. Remember, negende means ninth. Our 10th word is tiende. Tiende means 10th in English. De tiende man is oud. The 10th man is old. Het is de tiende keer. It is the 10th time. We drinken de tiende thee. We drink the 10th tea. Remember, tiende means 10th. Great work on learning these. Let's review all our words. Vandaag leerden we deze woorden. Today we learned these words. Eerste, tweede, derde, vierde, vijfde, zesde, zevende, achtste, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, negende en tiende, ninth and 10th. Practice these every single day. See you in our next lesson.